All set now, ready to race. Way to go. Ironheart from the outside for your eyes only. Trinity Moon by the Relish Classical Jade. On the further outside, Fleet Street. Down on the inside, Giri, Speed Almighty. And entry number 2, Jen's Joy is the early trailer. Classical Jade for your eyes only. Trinity Moon down on the inside. Ironheart is racing from the outside, Fleet Street. Last 600, two runners fighting it out for the lead. For your eyes only by ahead. And down on the inside is Classical Jade. Ironheart is getting closer in third. Last 4. Jade by Hapoland for your eyes only. And Ironheart, Trinity Moon down on the inside is Split Street. As they race the final corner, Classical Jade. And for your eyes only, Trinity Moon down on the inside. And nearing the last 250, Classical Jade. And on the outside is for your eyes only, Trinity Moon. And by the release, Giri. And nearing the finish line, Classical Jade, Trinity Moon on the outside. But still Classical Jade, Trinity Moon. And finally, Classical Jade, Trinity Moon, Giri close with Almighty Jen's Joy.